Meanwhile, viewers, the crackdown on drug abuse continues in the national capital. In fact, now in Bhopal, the Gujarat ATS and the NCB raided a factory and seized drugs worth a staggering 1,814 crore rupees. In fact, take a look at a ground report on what exactly happened there.
क्या जानकारी अभी तक मिली है, किस तरह की कार्रवाई?
गुजरात की एटीएस की टीम और एनसीबी की टीम यहां आई हुई थी। हमने उनको सहयोग किया है, उनके द्वारा पूरी कार्रवाई की गई है और जो भी कार्रवाई उन्होंने की है उसका प्रेस रिलीज उन्होंने जारी किया होगा।
आगे अभी तक पुलिस ने आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रक्ट किया हो, दूसरे राज्यों की पुलिस ने भी कि आगे जाके आपको किस तरह से इस पूरे मामले में कुछ ऐसी बात की हो, कोऑर्डिनेशन कोई बना हो?
कोऑर्डिनेशन तो हमेशा रहता है, सेंट्रल का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, स्टेट का हो, और समन्वय से ही काम होता है।
अच्छा,
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं।
इस इलाके में इस तरह का गोरख धंधा चल रहा था, ड्रग्स 1800 करोड़ रुपए की सीज की गई है। अब आप लोग भी सजग हुए हैं कि और क्षेत्रों में भी आप इस तरह की चीजें अपनी तरफ से भी प्रोएक्टिव होके इस तरह की चीजें देखें?
अभी हम यहाँ जो उद्योग विभाग से बात करेंगे, उद्योग विभाग से समन्वय से हम यहाँ क्या क्या कार्रवाई अंजाम दे सकते हैं, वेरिफिकेशन की, वो करेंगे।
More than 1,800 crore rupees drugs was seized, in fact, from this factory, which was taken for fertilizer, in fact. But here, definitely, drugs was seized by the ATS and the police personals. In fact, the Gujarat police was involved in this action. ATS also involved in this action. 2 have been arrested. And right now, we are reporting from the ground zero, where these bottles you can see. Here, smell is also so disturbing, and uneasiness we are also feeling from the smell. So we can't just go ahead in this factory from this area. In fact, so this is somewhat uneasiness we are also feeling. A strange kind of smell is coming. In fact, drugs, 1,800 crore rupees, more than 1,800 crore rupees drugs has been seized from this area in this factory, and 2 have been arrested. In fact, so action definitely being taken by police and ATS officers, and investigation also going on. But this is somewhat a kind of shocking and surprising for everybody else. In Bhopal itself, police of Madhya Pradesh was not aware with this kind of happening and the things which are illegally going on. So definitely this is where you can see in the factory we are right now reporting from, but it's really shocking and surprising for everybody else.
Well, this seems to be a drug network with a very wide syndicate. In fact, beyond this, the Delhi Police Special Cell also conducted raids in Punjab, recovering cocaine worth 10 crore rupees and also a Fortuner vehicle that was having a number plate registered in Delhi. In fact, an arrest was also made in connection with a drug racket at the Amritsar airport. An individual identified as Jitendra alias Jassi was also held. Overall, over the past 1 week alone, over 7,400 crore rupees worth of drugs have been seized in various operations across the nation. Earlier this week, over 5,600 crores worth of cocaine was also seized in the national capital.